Hi everyone, the Wig Medic. Who would know? It's me. Right, okay, so I'm being commissioned now to do a lot of wigs all over the UK, Ireland and the States. But I need to tell you guys the kind of stuff that I do and show you. So let's use this wig for example. Hi, how you doing? Did it take you long to get here? Right, so I'm being commissioned by an amazing queen in the UK called Miss Candi Caine. And Christ, don't you just love her name? So her criteria that she gave me was she wanted it lace front, big, and she wanted the base colour baby pink. Oh my god, this is the second time I've yawned. Candi, I'm not yawning at your criteria, I just want to throw in there. So I went into my stock room, which is a little cupboard under the stairs, I'll have you know. And I got this beautiful baby pink wig, and then noticed, luckily enough, I had another beautiful baby pink wig right beside her. So I got the scissors out and I cut her up. I'm going to be adding all this hair to her. Yes, I'm going to be throwing in loads of tracks into this wig, track by track by track, and also in between each track I'm going to be putting, it's the wrong colour, I'm going to buy the colour tomorrow in baby pink, but I'm going to be creating a worm, let's call it a worm, I'm yawning again, I'm so tired, I had a gig last night, I'm so sorry. I'm going to be creating like worms, and I'm going to be sewing the worms across the tracks as they go up in between the ones that I'm putting in. So let me just quickly show you. Boom! See there? I'm going to be sewing this hair onto this track, but I'm going to be putting a worm right in there. But that's not where it ends. Oh no. So, her name gave me inspiration about where I want to go with it, because she said that I can add more colours, but I didn't want to kind of take away from the baby pink thing. So to me, a Candi Caine is pinks, whites, reds, that kind of colour. I didn't want to go down the red route, but I did find this little number under the stairs too. And I'm going to be throwing in this baby in certain segments between this point and the ear area. I'm going to be adding tracks coming down here, but I'm also going to be adding in white into the hair as well, and that's going to be going down this direction as well. So when I've set it and I've backcombed the life out of it, it's going to be like a Candi Caine coming down the side of her head. I'm going to be cutting probably about that off, I think, because I want to make it so big and I want to lose a little bit of length. I'm so sorry. I've been gigging so hard at the moment, and doing wigs in between, so I'm a little bit tired. And I've got a new puppy, and he's really hard work. So, guys, that's what the kind of stuff that I do. I bespoke wigs, but I also tend to wigs. So if you have a wig that's tired, or if you've been gigging and maybe had a drink thrown in your face, or if you were in a hotel room and you were doing a little bit of fun, I don't know, sexy time with someone that's paying for all your drag bits, you can send it to me. I will probably wear gloves if that is the sexy time situation, but I will take your wig, I will wash it, I will dry it, treat it if necessary, I will steam it, I will set it and make it as good as new for you. Yeah, so hit me up, I'm the Wig Medic. Well, I've now sired myself as the Wig Medic. This is fabulous, I love all this. So, hit me up, the link's going to be below, but also underneath that there's going to be another link to Candi Caine's new cabaret venture. She's got a venue in our hometown. I fucking love that, that's so awesome. So yeah, stay fabulous and I'll see you.